What is up, everybody? You know what it is. It's your boy Drift for Life. You know what I'm saying? Probably don't look like I'm looking at the camera. I'm probably looking at the camera now. I'm using my new phone right now. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, check it out and see. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to have some good visuals. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, whatever. All right, so what's going on is y'all been missing some stuff on a bike because of me. You know what I'm saying? I haven't been really showing a lot of stuff for content on the bike because I've been trying to get some of these other videos out and edit it so that way I can keep y'all entertained. You know what I'm saying? In the meantime, so I'm gonna show y'all some stuff real quick with the new R1. You know what I'm saying? For y'all that don't know, y'all ain't been watching or whatever. Go ahead and check out the other videos before y'all start asking questions. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I wrecked the bike and stuff like that. That sucked, but honestly, I'm glad I made it through that. A few days of healing and stuff like that. But you know, you live and learn. So for y'all that's already, you know what I'm saying, knowing what's going on, now we can catch y'all back up to everything that's going up. All right, so check this out. This is the bike. All right. We're gonna need another back tire. Of course, you can see we are already maxed out. You know, there is a little bit life left on that bike, on the tire. I mean, there's people that took the tires and done a lot more. That's cool. I'm gonna put one trip on this tire. I mean, it's good. I mean, chain's good. I've already I haven't cleaned the chain, but I've already went over the chain. Chain is good though. I rode the bike first test drive. Already fixed some things up and stuff. I'm not gonna keep it that color. I'm gonna change the colors and stuff like that. First of all, I gotta do something with them ugly seats, which I'm not messing with them seats right now because that's the only thing I have right now. I do have some more fairings for a 05 R1. Got fairings, side fairings, tail fairings, a seat. I'm gonna use the front fairing for the wheel. It doesn't have the front mass fairing or anything like that. So that's the only thing I don't have. But I want to do that conversion on this bike. So it's either that or just buy the fairing, which I could possibly buy the fairing and keep y'all updated on the other projects. So yeah. Hopefully y'all got some hints anyway. But yeah, this is her right now. You know what I'm saying? This is her. Jeez. I don't know what else y'all want to talk about. The dirt bike. Let's check it out. The dirt bike. Well, as you can see, this is what it is looking like right now. I just have the backpack on it. I just put the backpack on it today. The helmet, I just put it on today. Those clothes, I took it out the chair so I could sit in the chair, so I just threw that on today. That hat was on the ground, and I went ahead and swept. So that got stacked on it. It's a good little stacker. So the dirt bike is still cool, still running good. I haven't really been riding it as much, besides the last trip or the last ride or whatever for New Year's. That was the last time I rode the bike. So if you haven't seen that ride, go ahead and check that link up there. You know what I'm saying? Or go ahead and check the channel. Go check the page. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't liking and subscribe, go ahead and like and subscribe. You will see some more content. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be on the Mobbin Hood bike, which is, I haven't really been posting any Mobbin Hood stuff because where I'm at is pretty hot. You know what I'm saying? And I kind of need to do a clutch on this bike, which I've noticed that first gear has all of it, but it's only when it directly when it's right at the end of the clutch. So, and it's starting to like really spin and everything. So I want to give that dirt bike back its life by doing the clutch before I really start doing some Mobbin Hood stuff, especially out here where I'm at. This bike right here, we're going on a ride tomorrow. We're going to Pismo actually. So I'm gonna take the bike to Pismo, and we're gonna check it out. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what's up. See what's up with the pieces out there. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Shout out to my boy. I don't know his name right now, but I'm sure once I go through the footage and stuff like that, I'll know his name. Shout out for him. He actually gave me this. This is brand new right here. I'm just missing basically the other little gold sleeve that goes right here, like the piece like this right here. That's the only thing I'm missing. But he says he has it, and I ain't rushing. I mean, I had a big old ugly one on this side, and this right here is pretty cool. Plus, I can get it out the way and stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? So, it's pretty cool. Aside from that, I bought some new lights because this bike didn't come with any lights. And for a moment, guys, y'all gonna laugh, but I was using these lights right here. This little light bar that sticks to it, I zip tied like one right here, and then bam, you know what I'm saying? Blasted on full blast. It was actually pretty crappy. I couldn't see nothing. But yeah, so it pretty much, pretty much both of them right here, pretty much. I mean, they work. They're pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Pretty bright and everything. Got it on a toggle switch up there. If you know me, you know me. I'm toggle switched out. You know what I'm saying? So, but you feel me? They came with some mirrors, brand new. You know what I'm saying? You could tell it was brand new because there wasn't a scratch on none of these mirrors. No fade. Oh shoot, no fade or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? So the mirrors was cool. You know what I'm saying? Let's get some live view. You know what I'm saying? You can tell. Look, let me see. Let me get up in there. Ooh, you can get up in there. Oh yeah, I like this camera. So you can see that it was new. Bolts ain't rusted or anything like that. So, uh, but I got both mirrors for both sides. God dang, focus here. All right, we got both mirrors. Of course, you know me. I gotta have my phone mount. I got my phone mount off the other bike. I was able to snatch this. I was actually able to snatch the other switch and stuff like that, which is, oh shoot, phone almost tried to come on my hand. Jeez. Matter of fact, I have a whole pod and everything I can have this phone on. Anyway, I got like the switches and stuff somewhere right here. But yeah, just got to take the switches off and stuff like that and run it. But I wasn't going to run too much seeing that I don't have fairings. I'm pretty much going to keep it simple. I'm going to go ahead and put the wheel fairing on. Here's the other seat that goes with the bike. Put this over here. It also have headlights for the 04, 05, you know what I'm saying, 06. Here's the other new light. So, yeah, so for helping him out, you know what I'm saying, he gave me a few parts and stuff, so, why not? You know what I'm saying? You never know when a boy is going to come up on a 05, you know what I'm saying, R1, you never know. So, never know. We're going to go ahead and get some more of this stuff done on the bike. I still, like I said, need to put this on. After I do that, I'm going to go ahead and keep peeling off some more of this plasti dip right here. You know what I'm saying? So, get some of that stuff unrevealed. Forks are bad. That's pretty much the worst thing on the bike is the forks. And then where the thermostat goes for the coolant housing, that leaks a little bit of coolant. Hence why I kind of put this on here. The little reservoir. So I don't have the other reservoir from the other one. I threw that away because there's no point in trying to use it again. But this works. I have coolant in here. I've checked, and I'm going to probably actually buy me another thing of coolant and bring it with me just to be on the safe side. So every time I stop, I can check it and see if it's doing good. other than that, it doesn't even leak a lot. Like I think it leaked maybe just on cold start. I think because I revved the bike up. I think that was the problem. I revved the bike up, and yeah, I started instantly seeing the water. So that was user error. But other than that, the bike is good. Bike sounds great. I would give you a demonstration, but it is dark outside right now, and we're indoors. You know what I'm saying? So we're not gonna do that. But yeah, just wanted to give y'all guys an update. And yeah, I mean, you guys around in the area, you know what I'm saying? Y'all hit me up, you know what I'm saying? Some of you know where I'm at, some of you don't, but you know, if you know where I'm at, hey, hit a brother up, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ride. Till then, y'all like and subscribe if y'all haven't, and your boy's about to get back to editing and making some more of these videos for y'all. So, till then, peace.